Okay, here we are.
Hello, hello.
Hello. This is the audit for the California Irvine office. This is newly built.
Yep.
So we are conducting audit to see where we at and fall at the standard of SCI standard and SCL standard of to see this. This is a very same form that we using for we'll be using globally. We already done this with contest and we done it with Brazil. So now we're gonna do is on for our own. All right, Vincent, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Well, I'm Vincent. I am a product support technician for Sumitomo Electric Lightwave. I've been here for about 2 years. And for the past 2 weeks, I've been here setting up and pretty much getting the whole operation started here and trying to get everything sorted so we're operational.
All right, wonderful. Okay, so most to further transparency, the California office and the Raleigh office is interconnected.
Yes.
Not only that, in a physical form also, because all the documentation, workflow is connected via internet.
Yes.
The server side is on in-house in SEL, Raleigh, North Carolina.
Yep.
So all of the training manual, everything is accessible from this office directly into Raleigh, North Carolina office. So there is no missing information. Everything is still the same. The production of how the workflow is keep intact with the Raleigh office, meaning how the machine was, the faulty machine received into the office was separated when customer filling out form for to get an OMA online. They will have the option to choose. If they're in California, they will then automatically route it to this office. So Vincent will be taking care of all the California office for now. So as the projected growth, the more that the California he can take on, and everything is smoothly accordingly, then the more state he will inherit. He will work on more state, but to be starting out, California is the first state. There we go. So workflow documentation is a mirror exact form with SCL, which is from Raleigh, North Carolina office. So to be clear on that. So yep, we cover that. Let's starting with question number 1. Do we have a fee structure for service work? Yes, we are.
Yeah.
Right now, we are also will be conducting with the new policy of flat fee service.
And I have that here
Yes.
as well.
Yeah.
Which will be on the
And
form.
yep. And we will send you.
Don't know if you can see it. But
Yeah, it's just a flash, but we will send the documentation link up to this question later.